So I'd like to talk about Mr. Aso. I came here starting in 1997 or maybe even 96 as a student, and Mr. Aso has been very nice to me. He acted like I'm his friend. He was obviously a great teacher and leader, and I should learn much from him even now because he was a good guide, and we as a musician we feel some similarity with what he has been doing. He showed his students and his colleagues what new to him, new to them, and leads them to new activities. And he was a great guide. If you go traveling, you need to have a great guide. He was funny and kind, and he showed us new things. As a musician, I present music, and I have to be a good guide of this music. So I think there are many things I still can study from him. I miss him very much, but I hope the studio will have a great days to come.